Hello traders, the title of the video is how to use a price target to improve Elliott wave forecast. So you have done your Elliott wave forecast, you have labeled the waves, all right, and now, okay, you want to use the price target to improve your Elliott wave forecast, all right. So I have a very simple example here. And when we count, this is the first Elliott wave of a higher degree. Well, that's one there. And this is the second Elliott wave. You see number 2 there of this, okay, of a higher degree. And we are now in a third wave of a higher degree. And as you can see that my forecast was that probably the third wave end here, and then we have the fourth wave, followed by the fifth wave. So all those lines, traders that have been following me know that I don't remove my line, they are still here. The financial instrument that we are analyzing is AON. Is it AON? The correct pronunciation? Correct me in the comment section. The EPIC is Alpha Oscar November, AON, belonging to the financial services sector. So that was my focus. How can I use now the price target to improve my Elliott wave focus? All right. So the price does not go up or down for no reason. Have you subscribed already to 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel? You must subscribe to 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel, where I'm teaching about the technical trading using a price action. All right. So it's a market principle that if the price is going down, it will not go out for no reason, because the hedge fund, the big financial institution, they use a price target all the time. So they will not buy without setting a target. This is something true. All right? So now that as an Elliott wave trader, I forecast the market, I want to use, so I'm looking at it and say, okay, all right, they're going above that level that we have set at 173. Was it also? It must be somewhere here, 16186. All right. No, in fact, it's this one. Yeah, this one. All right. Now you see that they start going above it. Okay. Well, that higher degree third wave. All right. So now what I'm looking at this chart, say, all right, how can we figure out, okay, how can we improve our income? How do we make sure that we make the right decision? So I just measure the width of this round bottom here. You see here, the price came down. You see here, blah, 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 went down all the way here, and then went back to the starting point, forming what we call a V pattern or a round pattern. It's a powerful pattern. In fact, that's why I'm saying to you, if you are a subscriber to 24 Elliott wave, you must also subscribe to 24 Stock Trader, because I recorded a video recently that traders like very much. It's the ABC of technical analysis. Have you checked it out? Check it out at 24 Stock Trader. So price goes up fast, okay, all right, and then we see a consolidation, and then if it goes above this high here, we'll be looking for an opportunity to buy. This is the ABC of technical analysis. So now that I see this round bottom, I measure the height of that, or the depth of that round bottom. Now we start projecting it up. This is about the price target to improve our Elliott wave analysis. Now, one of the reasons why the price target will be very, very useful to you is that sometimes we have an extensions, especially during the fifth wave and the third wave, mostly in the third wave. So now the price is extending, you're wondering, where are we going? What's going on? Where is the higher degree wave count will end? Well, what's going on? And then you get sometimes confused. If you get confused, what do? You refer to simple things. That's what you do. Right? If you are dealing with a complex matter, you're looking for something simple that is true. That's the beginning, yes or no? And everything will unravel, yes or no? Now we see now, price does not go up for no reason. We start projecting that measuring stick. Okay? Roughly, we are here. So let's just put it there, somewhere there. That's the first target. Okay, I'm going to draw more. And then it goes above it, price goes above it, we project it again. Now we are in that zone there, so just accept it that roughly, all right? You say, George, you like that well, roughly. Okay, second target, yes or no? And now we are here, you see I have a line already drawn. Yeah. And then we have a target. Okay, so as I was telling you previously, using our area wave forecast, we were expecting the fourth wave to come down and then the fifth wave to continue. But you remember that we will not sell until the common center line is broken. Map how you see this red line, red common center line, is still holding nicely here. So now, how do you improve your area wave forecast? This is it. Use the price target, especially this formation, you see, go up, corrective wave in the shape of a V pattern or a specific chart pattern, measure the depth and continue to project it up. As you can see now, this measuring stick will help us very much here. It's like a shedding light in a darkness. What's going on here? Okay, so now we project it now one more time, you see. So because things are now becoming a little bit complex and we are not sure what to do anymore, you see. So now you refer to market principle. Simple thing, that's it. So now that I put that line there, it's a warning line that there is a target there between this black line and a pink one. And I know that there is also a midpoint target that we have now exceeded. If I put it there, the midpoint target. Somewhere in that zone. So you see here. Can you see that? I'm on a monthly chart, by the way. You see that? And that's a midpoint target. You see what the price did there? It acknowledges the midpoint target. You see this candlestick back got a tail here. It's all, and after you break above the midpoint target, what do? Now they are taking it up to the next level. Will that be helpful, okay, to your area way of focus? That is the question, my friend. So this will conclude our discussion today about how to use the price target to improve area way focus. All right, it's a very short tutorial. Was it short, George? If you say short, George, usually it's 20 minutes. I see this one is 7 minutes. Look at that. You say, George, you are improving. Good. Right, so if you have any questions, suggestion, lament, blah, 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 my friend, feel free to put in a comment section. In due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. All right. If the video has been truly useful to you, please let us know how. Give us the thumbs up, please. You think that, George? Yes, 7 minutes. You are trying to get my attention. Yes. I dislike it. All right, if you dislike it, please mark it down. If you think that is an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Tumblr, Facebook, Twitter, scoop it, okay, on the social media. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, 24 Area Wave. Or is it Area Wave? Yeah, George, it's not Area Wave. You speak in French, it's Area Wave. Okay, 24 Area Waves YouTube channel. Be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to use a price target to improve area wave focus. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you for watching, and I mean it. Thank you very much for watching it.